So your 370Z starts, runs for a second, and then dies. The reason is a $5 part that's permanently built into a $500 computer. The problem is the fuel pump relay. But on your car and the Infiniti G37, it's not a simple cube you can pull out. Nissan soldered it directly to the circuit board inside your Intelligent Power Distribution Module, or IPDM. The IPDM is that black box in your engine bay that looks like a fuse box. It's a computer that manages power for the fuel pump, cooling fans, headlights, and other critical systems. Inside it, that tiny relay acts just like a worn-out light switch. Over years and thousands of key cycles, the metal contact points inside get pitted and degraded from heat and tiny electrical arcs. When you first turn the key to on, the contacts are just good enough to pass that initial burst of power to prime the fuel pump. That's the hum you hear. But the moment the engine fires up and demands a steady, continuous current to run, those worn-out contacts can't handle the load. The connection fails, the fuel pump cuts out, and the engine stalls from fuel starvation. It's a simple mechanical failure, not a software bug. Before you replace anything, do a quick check. Find the Fuel Pump Control Module, or FPCM. It's a small silver box located behind the passenger seat, under the interior trim. Unplug it and look at the connector for any signs of moisture, green corrosion, or melted plastic from overheating. If it all looks clean and dry, the IPDM is your problem. Your first option is to replace the entire IPDM unit. The part number will start with 284B7. A new module from the dealer is the official fix, but it must be programmed to your car's security system and keys. A used IPDM from a salvage yard is cheaper, but you're gambling that its relay isn't about to fail in the same way. Your second option is a board-level repair. This means finding an electronics specialist who can carefully desolder the old, failing relay from the IPDM's circuit board and solder a new one in its place. It's a delicate job, but it fixes the root cause for much less than the cost of a new, programmed module. Ignoring this won't fix itself. The relay will only get worse, turning your start and stall issue into a crank-no-start problem that will leave you stranded. That usually means adding a tow bill to the final repair cost. Check that FPCM first, but be prepared for an IPDM repair.